Our journey begins amidst bountiful mango orchards, where nature's sweetness ripens under the sun. Skilled hands carefully select the finest mangoes, ensuring perfect ripeness. Skilled harvesters carefully gather ripe mangoes, ensuring quality from the start. The harvest begins its journey, carefully loaded for transport. Each mango is carefully introduced to the production line, maintaining its pristine quality. A blend of manual care and automated efficiency marks the beginning of their transformation. Precision washing begins, preparing each mango for its journey. Skilled hands ensure every mango meets the highest standard. Emerging pristine, ready for the next stage of transformation. Every detail matters, ensuring purity from farm to table. Each mango, perfectly cleansed, advances to its next destiny. On the sorting line, skilled hands meticulously prepare each mango, initiating its journey. Green mangoes are carefully selected, destined for the vibrant tang of pickling.
A whole, firm mango with smooth, unblemished skin, transitioning from vibrant green to golden yellow, indicative.
Expert eyes scan, ensuring only the finest mangoes proceed to their next meticulous step. Each mango undergoes stringent scrutiny, a testament to unwavering quality control. From raw harvest to precise categorization, every mango is treated with unparalleled care. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. From the line, sorted mangoes advance, ready for their specialized culinary transformation. Precision engineering ensures every mango is perfectly prepared, preserving its quality. Once peeled, each mango gently transitions to the next stage of its careful journey. A new cycle commences, transforming raw fruit into a pristine base for our gourmet products. Every peeled mango undergoes rigorous, automated inspection to guarantee premium quality. Skilled hands meticulously feed the ripe mangoes, preparing them for the next stage of processing. The machine efficiently separates the succulent fruit from its pith, ensuring premium quality slices. Precision and speed define this critical step, transforming whole mangoes into perfect slices. Precision slicing transforms whole mangoes into uniform pieces, ready for the next stage. Each cut reveals the succulent, ripe flesh, ensuring premium quality. The vibrant colors and perfect forms speak to the mango's inherent quality. Every piece reflects meticulous attention, from fruit selection to final cut. From the golden yellow flesh, consistent shapes emerge, ready for preservation. These uniform mango slices will soon embark on their journey as pickled or dried delights. In the brine kitchen, skilled hands prepare the crucial pickling liquid. Each ingredient is chosen and added with expertise, crafting the ideal flavor. Precious spices are carefully measured, infusing depth into every batch. Monitoring temperatures ensures consistent quality, a cornerstone of excellence. The brine is complete, a perfect foundation for the pickling process.